Hello children, good morning. How are you? Now which season is going? Do you know? Yes, rainy season. Today I am going to tell you about rainy season. Do you all love rainy season? Yes, I know you all love rainy season very much. Even I love rainy season. In which month rainy season comes? It comes in the month of June till August. What do we see during the rainy season? We see rainbow, puddles, rain, thunderstorm, dark clouds, etc. Who brings rain? Dark clouds bring rain. What we use during the rainy season? We use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots during the rainy season. It keeps us dry. We see rainbow after rain. It has 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It looks so beautiful. We also see some creatures like frog, snake, earthworm, scorpion and many other insects. Rainwater is stored in wells, ponds, lakes, river, sea. Now let me ask some questions. What do we wear during rainy season? We wear raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. What do we see after rain? We see rainbow. What do we see in the sky during the rainy season? We see thunder, lightning, dark clouds, rain, rainbow during the rainy season. Now we will be singing the song. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, blink, blink, lightning, the sun is hiding, clouds are gathering, tip, tap, top, tip, tap, top, and now it is raining. Another song. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the friends want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Do you all like the rhymes? Okay, children. Now I will be giving you the activity which you have to do it. Okay? Thank you.